You getting the vaccine, you getting the jab, does not mean that you cannot get COVID-19. That's one. You getting the jab, and this is very important, you receiving the jab does not mean that you cannot transmit COVID-19. What the jab does is that it makes your immune system alert and it prepares you for war. Should you come across the COVID-19 virus, your immune system will be primed. It will be ready to fight and to manage that COVID-19. And so it is expected, and that is not, the only case that we shall have of people turning positive. This will continue to happen. What we do know and what we are happy about is that this jab will prevent progression to severe cases for COVID-19. Meaning the cases that we report day in for ICU admission, meaning the cases we report in for severe cases is bound to reduce if we have the right number of people vaccinated. And that is the usefulness of this vaccine. And so remember, getting this vaccine still requires you to wear your mask, still requires you to social distance, because you can still, one, get the disease, however it might be a mild or moderate form, and two, you can still transmit the disease.